Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So in today's session, we are going to discuss a very important news article of finance that is about the Securities and Exchange Board of India that has unveiled the Manthan Ideathon. So what is this Manthan Ideathon? Why it has been brought, as well as what are the themes under the Manthan? All of this we are going to discuss in today's session. But before starting with the session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session. And you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So now starting with the news article, SEBI has unveiled Manthan Ideathon. So this Ideathon is for fostering innovation, for bringing ideas so that the innovation can be brought, especially enriching the capital markets, because SEBI is the regulator of the capital market, of the securities market. So it is of course SEBI is organizing it. So of course it is for the capital markets, for the securities market. All these market participants, BSE, NSE, NSDL, LCD, SL, these are the in association of SEBI. The SEBI is organizing the Manthan in association with all these big participants. Okay, so now why it has been launched? Of course, to promote innovation in the securities market that we have discussed. Manthan is the Ideathon for bringing ideas, for bringing innovation in the securities market. So Manthan will facilitate the creation of a pool of ideas. So in this Manthan, many of the ideas will be brought and it will create a pool of ideas and innovative solutions revolving around the securities market. So workable ideas. Now what will happen with the ideas? Okay, the pool has been created. Now what? So working ideas emanating from Manthan that has been brought from the Manthan may translate into possibilities and prototypes through a hackathon. So after the Manthan, if the ideas are seemed to be like we can implement it really fast, so hackathon will be created, hackathon will be launched, and through that the possibility and prototypes will be created. Okay, so we have understood the basic idea of Manthan. Now we can go forward with the themes. So what are the themes? These four are the themes of Manthan. That is why this Manthan, on what what ideas are the SEBI asking about. So SEBI is asking the ideas on these four themes that are very important, and you will have to understand the crux of these themes also. So first of all, it is investor education and protection, ease of investing. So in this ideas that will be brought, and who will be bringing the idea? Anyone can bring the idea, the students, the academicians, some big fintech houses also, so they can also, anyone can bring the ideas. Okay, so now in the first theme, the theme is investor education, protection and ease of investing. So protection means that from the frauds the investors have to be safeguarded. So prevention for retail investors, fraud prevention for retail investors, so that the retail investors, because they are the small investors, okay, they do not know much about the market and they have to be protected from the frauds and all. So next is education, means awareness has to be spread, and it has been said that the ideas has to be brought so that we can promote the education, promote the awareness through the social media especially. So spreading awareness among investors through social media or any platforms, okay, because social media has much reach. So if through social media the promotion can be done, the awareness can be spread, it will reach to greater masses. Okay, as well as inclusive growth of securities market or any other endeavor that promotes education and protection. So any idea that protects the investors, that talks about the education and awareness of the investors, that will come under this theme. Okay, next is securities market development. This is the theme. So ideas promoting securities markets, there is much area for the development of the securities market. So in ideas promoting securities market development, like the role of technology that can be brought to take care of the challenges that is coming in the securities market. There are many challenges that can come in the securities market. So to tackle that challenges, the technology has to be brought so that faster process can be done for taking care of the challenges. Okay, so how the technology ideas should be brought, that how the technology can be brought to implement solutions of the challenges faced in the securities markets. Enhancing product innovations, because we are talking about the securities market development. So how the securities market can develop when many new products can be brought into the market, so that more participants can come, more transactions can happen and everything. So enhancing product innovations in the capital markets or making the commodities market better accessible. So what happens that the derivatives market, especially the commodities market means commodities exchange market, in which derivatives are being traded. Derivatives are deriving their value from the commodities, from some underlying asset. Okay, so derivatives like the futures that are being traded in the stock exchanges, that are being traded in the market, so they can become better accessible to the investors, because in retail investors do not much know about the derivatives market, or they are very afraid to work in the derivatives market. So to develop the securities market, it is also beneficial, it is also needed that the commodity market, commodity exchange market, the derivatives market, the currency market, also we can say currency derivatives market, all of this can be more accessible to the investors. Okay, so to work on this also, that the commodities market can be better accessible to the investors, so that more investors can come into this segment also, because a commodity segment, we can say the derivative segment is not as much developed. Okay, next is market regulation. So ideas focusing on building regulatory. Now regulation, of course, SEBI is the regulator of the market, of the capital market, of the securities market, but still there is much area that is to cover. Okay, because SEBI was established in 1992, so it is a very young regulator, it is a very young organization that we can say. So there should be ideas through the Manthan that can be brought, so that better regulatory framework can be brought. Okay, so regulatory capacity in the ecosystem can be brought. Say there should be role of RegTech, means regulatory technology supervision technology, that is SupTech, in streamlining the supervision and regulatory compliances, so that the compliances can be faster, can be easier, can be cost effective. Okay, because now there are many cases that are pending under SEBI. So to make the regulation, to make the supervision better, technology is needed. So this is for the market regulation, that the ideas can be brought in this segment also under the theme of market regulation. Next is integration with financial ecosystem. More people should be integrated, because there is like very less part of our country that is under the financial ecosystem, that know about the securities market, that trade in the securities market. Even if we know about the securities market, we usually do not trade in it. So idea that promote more and more integration within the financial ecosystem, we can also call it financial inclusion, so that more and more investors, more and more people can be included into the financial ecosystem by providing easier onboarding facilities to new investors, so that the new investors can be brought easily into the system, and making use of technology to innovate and address the challenges faced in capital market. So that integration can be done, the technology can be assimilated into the offline, and the online can be assimilated. It can become easier to onboard new investors, it can become easier for the new investors to understand this also. So integration within financial ecosystem is needed, and the ideas are called upon on this theme also. Okay, so I hope you know all about the themes now. Next is innovation. So this is the logo, we can say. So this is innovation sandbox, helping ideas break ground. So in the RBI had brought a regulatory sandbox, if I hope you all know, in which there were different cohorts. So regulatory sandbox was like, in the sandbox, in an area you are developing your products, your innovation under the regulation of RBI. So that's why it was called the regulatory sandbox. And now SEBI has brought the innovation sandbox, so that innovative ideas can be brought under the area, under the initiative of the SEBI. So in this adoption of fintech, the SEBI chairperson, that is Maha, she said that adoption of fintech, the financial technology, can go a long way in democratizing the financial services, so that all the people are able to get the financial services, not only a limited segment, but all the people should get the financial services, making services cheaper, because technology can reach to many people very easily, more accessible to the masses, thereby laying the cornerstone for financial inclusion. So through the financial education, through the financial awareness, through the better regulation, through the securities market development and the integration, the financial inclusion can be easily done, and it will become more accessible to the masses. And that's why those were the 4 themes on which the ideas were has been asked to be brought. Okay, so I hope you have understood the whole news article and the themes also. Now this is a very easy question that I hope all of you will be easily able to answer. These were the people that gave the right answer of the MPC review video, and Nilesh, Suryavanshi, Sojanya, Yash, Rupesh, Sambhu, Hansa, Debatam, Saurabh, Ankita, Vamse, Swanti, Sri Vatsan, Arvind, Manju and Balaji. So well done you guys. And SDF is the floor of the LAF corridor now, and the bank and MSF rate is 4.25%. So these were the two right answers. So well done all of you. Now thank you very much. If you have any query, you can mail us here or you can contact us through this number. Thank you very much.